Maurice here back for another Pop Pack training. Today we're going to be talking about the easiest way for you to make $10,000 a month if you're brand new and you're broke, okay? I believe that social media marketing is probably the fastest way for new people to come in 60 to 90 days and make their first $10,000 a month. I know a lot of you guys are in college, a lot of you guys probably are working jobs, and you're not successful. You're not making the type of money you want to make. And you're probably looking at some other businesses on YouTube and you're trying to figure out what you should do. Well, let me just make a suggestion to you. I started doing social media marketing about 7 short years ago. And when I first started social media marketing, I sucked, okay? I was out there trying to figure out how to get clients, how to get them results. I was buying courses on YouTube, and it was a total nightmare. I was working ain't the faint, just trying to get out of my 9 to 5. But luckily, I kept going. I persevered. I finally figured out social media marketing to the degree where I made 6 figures my first year of doing it. And now you have people that are making 6 figures a month really fast doing social media marketing, and you can do it. And the reason why social media marketing is the perfect business for new people is, number one, it has what we call a low learning curve, okay? Very small learning curve. Okay, let's say you were to get involved with affiliate marketing or internet marketing. There's a lot of moving pieces that you have to master. Like, you got to build the list, you got to know copywriting, you got to know how to set up the landing pages and, target the demographics. There's a lot of moving parts that most new people, you got to know how to do paid ads and solo ads and all the stuff, how to email your list, how to be persuasive, how to make people respond to your offers. And the list is pretty big, okay? And most people never break into being a successful internet marketer because there's so many moving parts, and most people don't have the discipline it takes to build an internet marketing business, let alone an affiliate marketing business or Shopify or e-commerce or even an Amazon FBA. There's a lot of moving parts to the Amazon FBA also. If you were to start Amazon, you have to find products, and you have to find people that will sell you those products and get them over here, and you have to stockpile the inventory, and there's just a lot of stuff that you have to deal with. That's not to say that you can't do it, because I have colleagues that are making a boatload of cash, and in fact, that's one of my next investments is to do some e-commerce or whatnot. But nonetheless, if you're looking for a perfect business with a low learning curve, okay, and social media marketing is that. And then if you're looking for a business where you only need a handful of clients, where you can literally fire your job in the next 60 to 30 days, okay, social media marketing is the business for you, okay? Now let's think about this. Where can you literally pick up the phone, okay, read a simple script, all right, get some people in front of some simple information, or you go out and you meet with them, okay? Either or, you can do a Zoom call or a Skype call. Show them a simple methodology of digital marketing, okay? You can show them the Facebook Ads Manager or the Google Keyword Planner, how many people are searching for their business, okay? Answer some questions, find out what the needs are of the business, and come away with a check of anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000. Social media marketing. Now, the beauty of social media marketing, ladies and gentlemen, like I stated before, you could be brand new and get this thing set up and be making $10,000 a month with a handful of clients. Now, let's make a comparison. Let's say you're in social media marketing, you only charge $1,000, okay? And you get 5 clients. That's $5,000. Let's say you just wanted to outsource and it cost you $1,000 to outsource those 4, including ad spend, okay? Even if it was, let's say, $1,500, okay? $1,500, all right? And you kept the rest. Where on earth can you literally, what is that, $3,500? You outsource 1,000 and you 500 for ad spend. Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. 3,500. Let's say you did that next month. Now you at over $7,000. No college degree. No degrees are needed. You don't have to go to college. You don't have to have a silver spoon in your mouth. All you have to do is roll your sleeves up, make calls, and put business owners in front of the right information, okay? And walk away with checks. Social media marketing. It's the perfect business if you want to get out of debt. If you want to purchase a home, okay? If you want that new car, you want to travel, or you want to fire your job. And I know that's the big one because, hey, ladies and gentlemen, 98% of the people on the internet aren't making money, okay? And that's because they don't have a proven model that can put immediate cash in your pocket in such large sums. And like I stated before, you only need 5. If you were doing affiliate marketing or internet marketing, you have to sell a boatload of products. Just think about how many ebooks you would have to sell, how many affiliate marketing products you would have to sell to equivalent $5,000 or $3,500 in profits for yourself. Think about how many products you would have to sell if you were in affiliate marketing and you were marketing a $25 or a $30 product. Here you can get 1,000. You could even charge 2,000. So you could be making $10,000 a month with 5 clients, or 3,000, depending on what niche you're in. So if you guys want to know more about how to do this, you want to copy my success, you want a proven system, you want the scripts, you want everything you need, you want coaching. Perhaps you just want to get coached. Click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, or you guys can sign up for coaching, and I'll help you to set this up so that you can start to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month in the next 60 to 90 days. I'll see you guys on the next training. Bye for now.